to this video. If you use Brave browser, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and discover some of the new features and updates on your PC. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do is to simply open up your Brave browser. After you open up your Brave browser, next thing you need to do is to simply come to the top right here, click on this three slider, and this is going to drop down. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down and come down below right here where you see settings. So click on that. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down right here, and then make sure you come down below right here where you see about Brave. So click on that. So immediately you click on that, in a few seconds the updates start up immediately. So just like what you see right here. Now this is a latest version of Brave, which is version 1.76.82 Chromium 134.0006999, etc., which is built on 64-bit. So if you click on it, it's going to open up in a new page whereby you read the detail of the new release and what are the actually things that have been fixed as far as the new release is concerned. This new release was released March 26, 2025 and upgraded to Chromium or to 134. Release note is here, and you can scroll down right here and see some of the things that have been fixed as far as this is concerned. Added the ability to stop stream Leo response, updated UI for Brave, setting under the Leo, and updated Leo payway to include annual pricing, fixing missing learn more link in the middle, etc. So you can scroll down right here and see some of the things that have been fixed as well, such as added localization support for several new languages, including these are languages that have been added into the new stuff. Added shared setting for block scripts. So this is another powerful security that have been added into the Brave browser. Improved translation on set for Swedish locally. So fixed persistent Google cookie not being removed when forget me when I close the site. So that's another powerful security side right here. Fixed crash which could occur when detaching or tap in certain cases. Fixed cursor being displayed with incorrect position when detaching a vertical tab on etc. Then the very last one here is upgraded to Chromium 134. So what you need to do is to simply update and start enjoying some of these new features that have been added into a Brave browser. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Brave browser, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.